All right, so I picked up the FH Group Ultra Comfort Premium Leather Seat Covers. This is going to be the replacement for my 2014 Jeep Compass, which I'll show you in a second. I saw these on Amazon and thought they looked pretty good. Figured I'd test them out. All right, as we come up to the car, I have the brown leather seats, and you can see the damage that's been done. It started with this little crack right here, and obviously over time it has developed into something bigger, and it's not good. So replacement for this seat is about $350, and that's just to get the part. And then you'd have to obviously take all the seat off, and don't mind the sand also, I go to the beach a lot. But yeah, you'd have to do all the putting the work into it. And I watched a guy on YouTube, I think he did it for like 2 hours, so it wasn't really worth it to me personally. My seats are always down in the back too, so I'm not really concerned about that. So that's why I kind of like this set. It only came with the driver and passenger, and the passenger is perfectly fine. I do notice that this will need to be replaced next, but that'll be for our next video. But yeah, we'll see how this turns out. All right, so you have the top, and then you have the bottom. Flip them over. And this is kind of what they don't show you in the. This is how you connect the bottom and the top. See, that's how you're supposed to do it. Now we'll get the other side. And there we go. And that's basically how you connect them. And then you want to place it on the seat. It's the next step. And now I also had these, which I'll probably just do a second shot for it though, but I'll show how the little metal hooks go in, which I'll show you right now. All right, now I'll do the metal hooks. So for me, these are what the metal hooks look like. You might want to open it up. I open it up a little bit like that and kind of put them through. And then you'll get it on the hook. And then for me, something like that. So you kind of want it to kind of look like that essentially, so it pulls. So for me, I kind of, when I put it on the actual seat, I figured out where there was a metal bar or something I can actually place it on and kind of hold it down a little bit. But I also ended up tucking in the sides for the bottom one, so that was actually easy for me to do. For the top part, it was actually a little bit harder, so you have to see what's on your seat to kind of hold it together. That's basically it. All right, so I got the first one installed in the driver's side, and now I'm liking how it looks. And I think this definitely on the 2014 Jeep Compass, I was able to tuck it on the sides and probably push it down. I'll probably get a little bit better though, but I feel like this feels pretty good. It's pretty tight, pretty form-fitting. Now the top, it looks like it's form-fitting, but there's a little bit of a bump though, but when I sat in it, it actually felt okay. Overall, it feels really, really good when you sit in it. You know, cosmetically, maybe it might not look, the best, but I think it's better than most other seat covers that are out there. I think it looks pretty good, and I'm not really gonna worry about the top. I don't really like the tops at all, but now I'll install the second one. All right, that's what the seats look like installed. Not too bad. Happy with it. They feel good. They don't feel cheap. They don't look cheap. But just need something to kind of protect it.
If you are interested in checking out the FH Group Ultra Comfort seat cover, please check out the links in the description below. And if you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to help support the channel. Every little bit counts. Thanks for watching.